Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of pineapple trifle. This pudding is easy to make and super delicious. If you like pineapple flavor, you'll definitely like this pudding. Pineapple trifle has a layer of sponge cake, pineapple pieces, custard and finally whipped cream. Without further delay, let's get started. We need canned pineapple slices to make this pudding. You can also use fresh pineapple, but I'll highly recommend to use canned pineapple. Canned pineapples are available in Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. I have taken 8 pineapple slices to make this pudding. Canned pineapple will have syrup, so we are going to use the syrup to soak the sponge cake. I have chopped in the pineapples as well. Take 3 tablespoons of vanilla flavored custard powder and add in half a cup of milk. Give it a mix and the custard powder slurry is ready now. Here I have taken 1 sponge cake. There's no specific measurement for sponge cake, you can use as much you need. I have sliced in the sponge cakes. In a saucepan, take half a liter of milk. Add in half a cup of sugar. Stir it so that the sugar dissolves. Once the milk boils, add in the custard powder slurry. Stir it immediately so that no lumps form. Mix it continuously and you would see the custard is thickening. This is the consistency of custard. Switch off the flame and the custard is ready now. Cool the custard for 10 minutes. I'm going to set the pudding in this glass dish. Line the base of the dish with the sponge cakes. Now soak the cake with the pineapple syrup. Add in a layer of chopped pineapples. Now add in the slightly cooled custard mix. Cover the entire pudding with the custard. Arrange the sponge cakes like the way I am doing. So we are going to repeat the same step. Soak the sponge cakes with the pineapple syrup. Add in a layer of pineapple pieces and cover it with the remaining custard mix. The sponge cakes will absorb the custard and this will taste super delicious. Pineapple trifle is almost ready and set it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. I have taken the pudding out of the refrigerator. This is whipped cream taken in piping bag. Now cover the pudding with a layer of whipped cream. You can make any design as per your wish using the whipped cream. Well, the whipped cream is completely optional. Garnish it with chopped pistachios. The delicious pineapple trifle is ready to be served now. Do try this pudding and share me the feedback. I'll slice a piece of it and show how it looks inside. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Look at it friends, all the layers are clearly visible now. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.